Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to create a clickable digital planner step by step together? Click the search bar at the top of the screen and type Planner. Press Enter to begin the search. You'll see a selection of different planner designs displayed on the screen. Choose one of these designs to start customizing your own planner. Click in the search bar and type Azure Planner Sample Planner Portrait. As you begin typing, suggestions will appear below the search box. Select Planner Portrait from the list to proceed. This will filter the available templates to show only portrait-style planner samples, making it easy to choose the layout that best fits your needs. Search for a template by scrolling through the available options. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from, each designed for different purposes. If you want more options, click the More button to view additional templates. Browse until you find the template that best fits your project needs. Select this one to proceed with your chosen option. To add a hyperlink, first insert the text where you want the link to appear. For example, type "click here to go to the next step." Once the text is in place, use your mouse to highlight or select the text you want to turn into a link. With the text selected, press Ctrl and the letter K together on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the hyperlink dialog box. In the dialog box, enter the URL or web address you want people to visit when they click the text. After entering the address, click the OK or Insert button to confirm. The selected text will now become an active hyperlink that users can click to navigate to the specified site. Type the address, for example, google.com, then press Enter. Next, click Done to save the hyperlink. Now, whenever you click this hyperlink, it will open google.com in your browser. You have successfully created a clickable link that directs to the Google website. To add a working hyperlink to your planner, insert the hyperlink where you want it in your document. After you've placed your link, go to the top right and click the Share button. From the menu, select Download. Choose PDF Standard as your file format to ensure your hyperlinks remain clickable. Click the Download button again to save the planner to your computer. Now you have an interactive PDF with active hyperlinks ready to use or share. You've learned to make a clickable digital planner in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks.